And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the break keyword. It's a statement that can be used to break out of a loop. We've already used that when we've created a switch, but you can also use it, for example, on a for loop. Then we define an output where we want to store, let's say, a counter. And I call that counter, as always, I. So instead of writing counter, I add I. I want to add some line breaks. So it used to be R tag. Now I'll define that counter, let I equal 0. I want to stop the loop when I is not smaller than 10 anymore, and I want to increment it, so I++. This increments it by 1 with each iteration. And finally, we want to print out the output. So document.write output. We should get 0 up to 9. And we do. So nothing new until here. Or we can actually use a break to end this loop before we've reached 9. To do that, we'll use an if statement. We'll define the condition for breaking it inside of the regular brackets. Let's say I becomes 6. So normally our for loop goes from 0 to 9, and when it becomes 10, the loop ends. But now we want to end it when I becomes 6. So 6 up to 9 would not be displayed. And to do that, we'll simply add a break inside of the curly brackets. And then the loop is broken. Or in other words, we've jumped out of it. There's also a related keyword, just a side note here, that's the continue keyword. So if we define I equals 5, we get 0 to 4, but if I add continue, we'll get it until our entire for loop is run through and the condition I smaller 10 isn't true anymore. And this is how I can use the break keyword in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.